Hello, sorry we haven't met, but my name is James. I have very big plans for the future. Hello, and Happy New Year. Coming at you from a bit of a different situation over here. I thought I'd mix it up for this video. So today I'm going to be running through my 2021 goals. What does 2021 look like for James? Well, we're going to go through and see. I love doing this. I love making out goals. I love the whole process of like visualizing for the year, like trying to figure out what the game plan is. And boy, do we have a lot on this year. Like, let me just like preference with that. So anyway, let me go through my 2020 goals and like my plan of action, if you will, for the year. Because I think it's cool for you to kind of see where my vision is for the year and then see if we accomplish what we set out to accomplish. And if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. We will, but we'll see anyway. The first of my 2021 goals is I want to complete 12 projects this year. I always like to double and increase what I done the year before. So this year I want to do 12 projects. Last year I done 6. So that's the plan. I think you're well aware that if you watch any of my past 3 videos, I think I've thought that in there somewhere. So 12 projects. I want to start up Design Talk. So if you remember, I done Design Talk. I done 2 episodes last year. The reason being it was only 2 episodes is because COVID happened and shut everything down. So I'd like to do 12 this year, so 1 every month. I want to do it like over FaceTime, so like with 12 guests every month, so like different guests each month, and that's the plan. And I'd like to turn that then into like a podcast. Because I tried to do a podcast last year, but it just didn't work. Yeah, so then so 12 episodes, podcast at the end, new guests every episode. But Design Talk isn't just going to be that. No. Hello, sorry we haven't met, but my name is James. I have very big plans for the future. So Design Talk isn't just going to be that. No, I want to turn Design Talk into like an immersive experience. What do I mean by that? Well, I would like either next year or the year after to make it like a thing where we go to venues and like really cool venues, like very architectural buildings and buildings that like castles or have an architectural significance to them, and you'd like buy a ticket, you'd come, there'd be refreshments, I'd have guests on and we talk about all things design, you'd ask questions, we'd answer them, it would all be filmed, so like it'd be up on YouTube as well. A really like immersive experience. That's why I want to create like somewhere where you'd like for a day out you'd come and like you'd listen to a few people talk about design and projects and trends and if you should follow trends and what's up, that kind of thing. Business, kind of like that. That's my idea anyway. So whether or not it happens or not, we'll soon see. But that's my idea. Also, this is like what I'm doing. I'm moving to Galway this year. I think it's next month. Mid next month, I think, so like mid-February. But I am very, very excited to like, I've wanted to move to Galway literally for the past, I'd say 2 years. When like the first time I went to Galway, I was like, yeah, this is it. This is where I want to be. I like love it here so much. So I'm moving to Galway. So woo! And so you'll be getting like, moving vlog and stuff like that. And like, I don't know. See, I don't know if I'm going to be doing a room tour because I don't know what my room is going to look like. Because this year I'm going to be renting a room because my next goal of 2021 is to buy my first property. I'd like to buy ideally a 2 to 3 bedroom house, just because I want to be living in it and then rent out the other rooms, because this is going to be an investment property. This is not just like for fun. This is the idea of this property is to help me become more financially independent, and it will also be a very fun project because I want a fixer upper, but not like a fixer-upper where I'm going to have to invest like 50,000 into renovations to get it to a livable standard. No, like a fixer-upper as in like the tiles and like the internal like features need to be changed, like, you know, like the flooring, the walls, the fun parts to change, like the cosmetic things. I want a place where I can just do cosmetic changes, and then if I wanted to, like upgrade like the, I don't know, whatever the electrical system is or the plumbing system, like I can upgrade them kind of things, like heating and stuff like that. So the bills and expenses are a lot lower. But I want to do a whole like renovation series on it. Like, do you really think I'm just gonna like do some quick fixes? No. 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 We're going to like renovate this house. I want to add, I want like the whole back. No, I'm not gonna go into it, but like if I get a house, the one that I kind of think I want, I want to get like a new kitchen put in, like an extension at the back. I want to add maybe an extra bed. I want to have the option to add like an extra bedroom in the future. I want it to be a nice open flow concept. I want each room to have an ensuite. There's a few like kind of cosmetic things I want to do to it, but that's at the end of this year. Also, since I move into Galway, I want to collaborate with more people. Like I'll be doing more collaborations in the sense of the design talk, but I want to extend past that and do kind of more other collabs. Like, 'cause I really have gotten into fashion this past year. Like I've always loved clothes, but this past year I've been able to afford to buy more kind of clothes I like, and not be as limited to only getting like one or two pieces. Like I could actually go on luckily and buy like a few things, and I'm nowhere near like where I want to be financially just yet, but I'm hoping by the end of this year I'll be a few steps closer. Collaborate being like so like there's this one account, I'll put it on the screen. She does like these boxes where like it's €50 and she picks like an outfit for you. So I want to do something like maybe collaborate with her, like buy one of the boxes, unbox it for you. Yeah, something like that. I haven't figured them kind of videos out just yet. We're only on the first week. Like, give me a few weeks to get into the year before I pin down exactly what every kind of collaboration is going to be. I want to travel. I want to travel. I want to see the world. Like, I'm not traveling a lot because like this year is going to be very busy work-wise, because I have a lot of projects this year. Hello, if we're going to be doing 12 projects, that's like a full year's worth of work. But also I have my full-time job, and I have YouTube, and I have interior design, and I've started putting some TikToks up. I've never gotten into TikTok before, but I just figured, you know what, it can't hurt to put a few videos up. So the past week I've been putting up one every day. So I mean, if you want to go over and look at it, I mean, you've seen everything I put up on TikTok, you've already seen, because it's just like shortened down versions of my design projects. So I want to upload more kind of to there because it's a nice platform to kind of grow on. But I'm not going to overwork myself on it, you know, obviously. Travel, but I'm thinking my friend Tara is going to France at the end of the year. So I'm going to go over there for a week. And yeah, I think that's the only place I'll travel to this year. But like, it'll be a real fun vlog. So yeah. So then also, okay, so stats. What do I want my numbers to look like by the end of the year? At the end of the day, you know, this is a business. I'm trying to grow my business. So numbers do play a factor in this, whatever we're creating here. It does play a factor, and I wish it didn't, because they're so annoying. So annoying. But I would like, for YouTube, I'd like to hit 30k this year. Some might say that's ambitious, but you know what they say, aim for the moon and you should land amongst the stars. So if we don't hit 30, at least we might hit 15 or something, I don't know. But I'm aiming for 30. I think, to be honest, like, if it keeps going the way it's going, I can't see it not. But yeah. I'd like to hit 10 on Instagram. I don't have a number projection for TikTok because I don't really care. But whatever number we get on TikTok, great. Whatever number we don't, great. But yeah, I would like to hit that, and I'd like to be in the position to do like a giveaway or something, like more at the end of the year, like give away something like, I don't want to just give away something like, you know, I want to do like a good giveaway. Like, but I don't want just like to be just one person that wins. I want to like to do something that like if I can, you know, a few people can win it, because I feel like then it's, you know, it's better. I'd love to give everyone a prize, but you know, I'm not made of money. I don't know who could afford to give everyone a prize, but yeah, I would like to do something like that. And yeah, I think that's all my like 2021 goals. I do like to have like a few set ones that I want to work towards, but I love how unpredictable life is. I just love how unpredictable it is, and the most amazing things can happen at any moment. So I do like to live for the thrill. It's next year. I was going to say, I think we're going skiing this year, but we're going skiing next year because I don't fully know what the situation is with COVID this year, whether it's going to eradicate and just disappear, or if it's going to linger around for a bit. I don't really know. So like, I haven't made my plans too concrete. So I want to allow for that. If it doesn't, you know, if it doesn't fuck off, that we can still survive. Yeah, I don't want to go into all my specific projects because I want you to be surprised still. I want there to be some like level of interest and surprise with my videos. Like, just bear in mind, like the first month is me just getting back on my feet again, trying to work out a routine, some sort of filming schedule. So the videos like aren't going to be like my most cutting edge and exciting. I would love to do like a month of like just reactions, because like they're so easy to film and so easy to edit, I assume. Danielle can answer that one, but they're just if you would be interested in doing like a month where I do like more than one reaction a week, do let me know, because I really would like to do 3 videos a week, but just at the moment, one, I wouldn't be able to afford to do 3 videos a week. 2, like that's an immense amount of pressure to put on someone to do edit 3 videos for every week. But I would like to eventually get to that stage where I film so much in advance that there could be a few weeks where there might be an extra video. More so at the end of the year, because the first few months is going to be very busy just trying to get like kind of a routine going. But look out for that end of the year, yeah. So anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know all of your plans for 2021. I would love to hear them, because I don't know if you're like me, but I love hearing people's plans. Like, even these are my favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube, is people talking about their plans and their goals, because I just find it so exciting, because then I get excited about seeing them achieve the goals. But yeah, I would like to know what your plans are for this year. And you know what? The most important thing is that we just stay safe, we protect our family and our friends, and that we find what makes us happy, because at the end of the day, that's what life is all about, is just being happy and content and just living each day as if, you know, it's a gift from God, because it is. Like, you know, every day is just as important as the last, so live every day like it's your last. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.